Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 8, Tourism and History. The next part of this lesson we are going to learn. Yesterday we have seen some historical traveler and their work related to tourism history. Now today we are going to see that do you know related to tourism. The tradition of traveling from corner to corner was prevalent in India from ancient times. With the tradition of traveling, it is prevalent, means it is widely spread in India from ancient times. Vishnuvat Godse wrote down the account of his journey from Maharashtra to Ayodhya and back to Maharashtra. Miss Vishnuvat Godse, he wrote down the account of his journey from Maharashtra to Ayodhya. You have to keep in mind his name, Vishnuvat Godse, written about the Maharashtra to history journey. Okay, and back to again Maharashtra, from Ayodhya to Maharashtra. It is published as a book entitled Maza Pravas. Means his book was related to Maharashtra to Ayodhya and Ayodhya to Maharashtra. It is entitled Maza Pravas. Means his book was entitled Maza Pravas, my journey. Okay. Vishnuvat traveled during times of Indian War of Independence in 1857. Means Vishnuvat was traveled during the time of Indian War. Means first war, 1857 war. He was the eyewitness for many events related to his historical events. He was also the eyewitness for many events related to these historical events. Means which historical event? The Indian War of Independence in 1857. His accounts are full of detailed descriptions about the various incidents during this period. And his accounts are full of detailed description. Means in this book he contains the detailed description about various incidents during this period. Means his book tells us about the detailed description of incident during the period of Independence War of 1857. Especially those about the life of Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. Okay, especially written about the means Lakshmi Bai is the main part of this war. Means he wrote about the Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, in his book. Means he mentioned Lakshmi Bai's work related to Independence War in his book. We also get to know the nature of Marathi language of the 18th century. Means because of this book we know about the nature of Marathi through this book of the 18th century. This book is one of the important source of history of that period, and it is the important source of history, okay, in that period. Okay. Now see types of tourism. Which are the types of tourism that we are going to see? These days tourism has become an independent field of local, interstate, national and international business. These days tourism become the independent field of means local tourism, interstate tourism, national tourism and international tourism. Means tourism is a business. Okay. The desire to visit national and international monuments, places of historical importance and natural beauty, ancient centers known for handicraft, pilgrim centers, industrial centers, and site of various developmental projects, etc. Means the desire to visit. Desire means to wish. Okay, to wish to visit the national and international monuments. If any places, for example, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Many means tourists means international tourists they are going to visit India. Okay, means because of this importance of the Taj Mahal. Also place of historical importance and natural beauty. Okay, for example there are Kas Pathar, here is a natural beauty, or Western Ghat. Ancient centers known for handicraft. Some ancient centers which are known for handicraft. Pilgrim center, for example Kashi, okay, or Bhima Shankar. Like this place, these are the pilgrim centers. Industrial centers, okay, for example World Trade Center of America, For this means to look this sentiment, tourists visit to this place, site of area development project, etc. Means this promote the tourism. This create means this these all the factor create promote the tourism. Tourists from all over the world wish to visit natural and man-made sites. Okay, means tourists from all over the world they are visit for man-made site as well as natural site, which offer a delightful and awe-inspiring experience. Because of this, they get the delightful means we get the delightful and awful inspiring experience. The place like snow-capped peak, beaches, pristine jungles, which were neglected previously. Pristine means unspoiled or dense jungle or dense forest. Okay, unspoiled or purity of the jungle, which were neglected previously, because become important location of tourists. First, these places means the purity of jungle or dense forest or beaches or snow-capped peaks, they were neglected in a previous period, but nowadays these places are very means many tourists they visit to these places also, become important location of tourist interest. Whatever the tourist interest, they for example some tourist interest to visit the historical monuments, some tourist visit to natural sites, like this way interest depend upon the tourism means that business is depend upon the tourist interest, whatever the sites. Mass media began to make special audiovisual presentation. Mass media, for example, TV or newspaper, we get the information, audio or visual information about the tourist places. And because these mass media highlight the place of on this, for example, TV or newspaper or internet. Okay. Tourism can be broadly typified into local tourism, interstate tourism, international tourism, religious tourism, historical tourism, health tourism, science tourism, agro-tourism, sport tourism, based on special events. Means these are the types of tourism. Tomorrow we will see these types of tourism. Okay. Thank you.